Welcome to California, and welcome to Los Angeles. On this brief trip we recently went on, we stayed at the W Hotel. There are two W hotels in Los Angeles, one on Hollywood Boulevard, near the Hollywood Walk of Fame and the Pantages Theater. The second one, the one we chose, is on the west edge of the famous Beverly Hills suburb. Located in a more residential area, in spitting distance to UCLA, this hotel appealed to us as it's away from the hustle and bustle that one normally associates with LA. There are no traffic jams or busy highways in this area, so it's easy to just relax here. But you're not too far from the major sites, so it seemed the perfect balance. Uber rides to the Getty Museum, the Santa Monica Pier, the Hollywood Walk of Fame were all within the $20 to $25 target, and our LAX Uber ride in the early afternoon was under $30. With that in mind, the W imposes a $55 per night valet-only parking option, so Ubers may be your preferable way to move around. So we booked the W through Hotels.com. However, the W is a Marriott-owned chain, and I did compare rates directly on their site. I found that Hotels.com still had the better price, so I forgoed the platinum status perks that Marriott affords, as that level really doesn't give you all that many worthwhile benefits, such as the free breakfast, and booked the cheaper rate. However, all was not lost, as when we arrived, some of the perks were still to be had. They did upgrade us to a slightly better room on a higher floor, and gave us late checkout, so that was something. Also, any incidentals would qualify for Marriott points, so all our restaurant visits were charged back to our room to take advantage. Alright, room at the W. This is what we see. We've got an upgrade. Quick tour as you come in the front. The entryway is a relatively small entryway. It's all carpeted. When you first come in, there's a nice little table and some modern chairs. And I've just put my luggage there for now, but as you come in, it's a great expanse, big room. There's the mini bar probably below and the dry bar and a bit of spirits that you can purchase as well. Some nice seating. Big comfy couch, big cushions. And then big king size bed. Very open concept. Area for your luggage in behind. One nice thing is there is a robe both in the luggage area as well as on the door, and then the washroom itself. So step in, walk in, shower. And then a single large sink. The outdoor area is larger than one might expect from a hotel of this size. Exiting up some stairs off the main hotel lobby, you are greeted to manicured lawns and flower baskets. And down a few more steps, you've got a covered restaurant and bar area. First thing in the morning, it's quiet and empty, but this could be a great place to sit out, have a drink, or even a full meal, as I believe that their in-house restaurant, STK, spills over into this area for outdoor dining. Beyond the outdoor restaurant is the pool and surrounding seating. Plenty of deck chairs and cabanas surround this area, and on a warmer summer day would be hopping with people, splashing about and tanning themselves. As with most hotels, this one also offers a 24-hour fitness center. Sadly, it did not play any part for me on this trip. Now for the restaurant. This W Hotel has, as its main in-hotel restaurant, the popular STK Steakhouse, as I briefly alluded to earlier. This attracted us as we wanted to try it elsewhere. It exists in several locations around the country, and we figured we'd give it a try in Vegas or Miami at some point. But when we saw that it was also here, it made sense to see what it was like. We came across a weekend breakfast deal that blew us away. Buried on their menu of pricier breakfast fare, a breakfast burger for $10. This has to be the deal of the trip, as it was a full burger with egg on top and included fries. Maybe not your healthiest of starts, but you can't beat that price. So what we liked about this hotel. It felt more like an upscale boutique hotel, didn't feel busy or chaotic, had the W style in the lobby area. The surroundings were relaxed and quiet. We took walks through the neighborhoods and found a small mall nearby with Target, Whole Foods, and a Trader Joe's, which we loved to visit. There was a great in-hotel restaurant with a happy hour menu and a kick-butt breakfast special, but that deal was only available on weekends. There was free coffee and tea in the lobby every morning and chilled water available all day. It was close to a rental car location where we rented a vehicle for the next leg of our trip, which, by the way, had much better pricing than picking it up at LAX. What we liked about our room. The rooms were generously sized in all categories, including the entry-level one. Great views of the Los Angeles city, as our view faced east. Separate seating and desk area. The bathroom was also spacious and clean, with oversized soap shampoo amenities that weren't affixed to the wall. Robes were provided, which is always a nice touch. And I love the hole in the shower glass, making it easy to turn the shower on without having to reach too far. Never seen this anywhere else. What we didn't like about the hotel. The room style is not to our taste, decorated in pastel tones with light-colored green leafy wallpaper as accents. There isn't anything around the hotel, although this can be a plus in our case, but some may like to be closer to a specific attraction. So would we come back? We love to explore new locations, but this checked off most of the boxes. I'd have no reservations in making this hotel my base when returning to LA. If you found this review useful, we'd love you to hit that like button to help this video find more viewers like yourself. Or you could go one step further and subscribe to Woody Travels. Why not come along for the ride, with no cost to you and no strings attached? Cheers!